The drinkware industry is $4.6 billion. Are you just making tumblers?
Today, we're going to show you 10 high-profit drinkware items that you can make and sell in seconds.
We'll even show you our exact settings.
Do it, build it, make it with Kim and Garrett, make it.
What is up? Welcome back. We know you love to do it, build it, and make it.
And we're here to help you sell it.
We meet a lot of makers who make tumblers, and they're doing great, but I feel like they're leaving a lot of money on the table by just making tumblers.
Today, we have 10 high-profit, super quick items that you can make and sell along with your tumblers that will increase your average order value. High profit drinkware item number 1, the leather tumbler carrier. Now, I got this because I think it's such a great accessory to go along with your 40-ounce tumbler. It's got the perfect little area right in the front here that you could personalize and engrave. You can get these for about $10 and sell them anywhere from $25, $35 personalized. So let's personalize one real quick. We're going to be using the F1, and I'm going to show you how quickly you can personalize it. This just took seconds to engrave, and it's perfect for the active mom market, local parks, farmers markets, festival gear. You can target concert and festival goers, boutique and fitness studios. This is a great place to sell at a Pilates or a yoga studio. You can pitch to those guys. Dog walker utility, market as a dog walk essential. These are just great little items, and then you can personalize them. Great as bridesmaids gifts. So many uses for the fun little tumbler carrier.
High profit item number 2, bamboo charcuterie topper. You ever been at a party and you're trying to hold your food and drink a drink and then use another hand? You don't have a third hand. So this is the perfect user experience gift. You put it on the top of any drink item. We could throw it on the top of my tumbler. I'm not checking what's in my cup, but I know what's on top of my cup, and that's my food. I have a hand free, I have access to my food and my drink. These are only about $1, $1.25, and you can easily sell them in a 4-pack for like $25. We're gonna use our F2 Ultra. We're just gonna throw it in here, and in a couple of seconds, we'll have a custom bamboo charcuterie topper. All right, that was done in just a couple of seconds. It may be a little off center. You could do a better job. You can pump them out if you use a jig. These are perfect for like a VIP experience at a winery or just Target wineries. You could throw their logo on here. They can offer it as an upsell. You can offer it as a wholesale. Realtor housewarming gifts. If the realtor knows that these people love to party or love to entertain, this is a great, unique gift that they could easily give somebody, and it'll always have their logo on it. Social media hack. If you're selling these straight to the customer, showing it in action, showing it at a festival, showing it at a party, showing how you can use your hands or make it look good on a nice wine glass, upscale, show it in its natural environment and how it's being used, it'll go viral. Put it with the right music, throw some text up there. And you could also do like a charcuterie board partnership with the local wine and cheese people or even a winery. Do the same type of partnership where you can offer it as an upsell.
High profit drinkware. Item number 3, the premium leather wine tote bag. This hits that quiet luxury trend. This looks like a $100 boutique find, but it engraves beautifully with high contrast in seconds. Let's show you. Look at that sharp engraving. That thing is perfect. Now let me show it to you with a bottle and how nice it looks. In the meantime, Garrett's gonna do it for me. In the meantime, we always get an extra. When we start with a new product, we get an extra so that we can run a test card and we know exactly what our engraved settings should be. And here you go. You can buy these anywhere from $7, $8, $9 as a blank and sell them anywhere from $35 to $55, personalized as a nice wine gift accessory, especially if you're pairing it with other items. So let's talk about how we're gonna pitch these some ideas of places that you can pitch to. These are great corporate appreciation gifts. So you could pitch law firms, accounting firms, things like that. Luxury picnic bundles. These are great on Etsy. So people will buy these as gift giving items, personalize them. Boutique wine shops offer a white label version for local wine shops to sell with their wines as a wine gifting bundle. And then, of course, wedding party gifts. These are perfect for wedding party, bridal parties. You can put a bottle of bourbon in here. These could also be a groomsman gifts. There are so many uses for these and ways that you can sell these and upsell them with other products that you're making.
High profit item number 4. This is actually a twofer, and this one is pure gold. This is a scrap buster. This is just cents. These are going to be wine charms. There's 2 types of wine charms, one that goes around the rim and then one that goes around the stem. So we have both birch and some acrylic for just pennies, just a couple of cents. We can go ahead, cut them out, maybe engrave something on the birch, and we got a couple of bucks. Couple of minutes in the laser, and we just turned some scrap into gold. It's even yellow. So we have one that goes on the rim, and we also have some birch, because I won't put the wood that goes on the rim. That might get gross, so I'll use acrylic. But the birch is great for one of these wine stems. I think this little metal piece that attaches it to the stem, pennies. I think it's like a penny, literally. And then this is scrap. So with a couple of scraps, you can sell them in packs of 4 for $15 to $20. These are great for parties. They're great for personalization. If you have somebody that hosts a lot of parties, these are great for personalization. You know, think Tupperware party. These would be great. Now to market these, you're gonna use your 4 W's. You're gonna hit your wineries, because these are great for upsells. You're gonna hit your weddings. These are great for placeholders, placements, even wedding party gifts. You're also gonna hit up hostesses. Anybody that hosts a lot of parties or sells things at parties like Tupperware, or what's the new thing? Pampered Chef? Is that still a thing? And then you always have housewarming and holidays, your other W's. These are great for holiday packs. And think Christmas, Halloween parties, 4th of July. These are all great for those.
High profit item number 5, wine stoppers. These are the ultimate upsell item. They go with any kind of wine item, wine accessory, and you can just, for a couple of bucks, people feel like they're getting a steal. You can purchase these for about $2, sell them for $10. We're gonna do these in our F1 Ultra. We've created ourselves a little jig. You can find this on our website. I'm gonna put it in here and literally engrave these in seconds. These take seconds to engrave, and they engrave beautifully. This is beechwood, and look how nice this engraves. These can be personalized. You can put sassy sayings on these. You can do these as basket fillers. You can add on to a gift basket, a market checkout bowl. You can have these right by the register with a bunch of different sayings. You can sell these individually or in packs of 9 like you see here as a nice, fun, giftable item. I mean, I buy wine stoppers all the time, so I know this would be something that I would gravitate towards. Gift basket add-ons and seasonal sets, things like Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, anytime birthday sets. There's lots of ways that you can personalize these for gift giving.
High profit item number 6, Cork coaster sets. This is the sustainable bread and butter. This is the perfect IT material for eco-friendly home decor. This engraves beautifully in seconds. It has high contrast, which is perfect for things like maps or coordinates. You can get a whole set for about $1, engrave them, and then you can sell that same set for $15 to $20. That took about 30 seconds, and look how beautiful that looks. Look at the contrast. It's got the nice tight lines. Cork is great. This is great for things that are hyper local. I'm in the Richmond, Virginia area, so I'm totally gonna throw the Richmond skyline, some RVA, some notable areas of our town, neighborhoods, famous neighborhoods. I would also target some real estate agents. They could also hit new homeowners, new neighborhoods. Also think man cave, home bars, she sheds, even coffee shops, anywhere that you want to save a stain. High profit item number 7, the MagnaChill can holder. This solves the Grill Master dilemma because it sticks to any magnetic surface. You can go hands-free. Now this is great for somebody who values function over the fluff, but it does look good. You can pick this up for about $4 to $5. I get turned around and sell it again for another 15 to 20, or bundle them together. You could do something like 6 for 40, like a groomsman pack. This engraves, this black will engrave down to silver, but they have other colors. That took less than a minute. It looks great. It engraves down to a nice silver. There you go. All right, it looks high class. Again, pick it up for about $5. Turn around and sell it in packs. 6 for about $40. These are great. Oh, these are great for like Father's Day, the Grill Master. Pair it with an apron and a spatula. These are also great for car and truck enthusiasts or mechanics, construction or trade gifts, something that they want to give to their workers. Tailgate market. Show this thing in action. Show it sticking to a tailgate. Do some videos. I'm sure it will sell.
High profit item number 8, the leather wrapped bottle opener. These are sleek and professional looking. They're much more high-end looking than your typical bare metal bottle opener. And they engrave in seconds. You can churn 50 of these out in an hour, so you can really batch them as corporate gifting. You can get them for $2 and sell them for $15 personalized. Or you can bundle them 6 for $45. We're going to engrave ours on our F1 Ultra. We did these for our military friend. He sells these as his unit. This is the 192 wing. Let me see if I can get it to focus so you can really see the detail engraving on this one. And these are great, again, groomsmen's gifts. Of course, they're great wedding favors, bachelor party favors, bartender personalization. These are great for bars and offering these as like bartender gifts. If a company wants to offer these to their bartenders as kind of a monthly prize kind of thing. Event swag. These are great for corporate events and giving these out as swag with their corporate logos on them. There's just lots of ways that you can sell these in batches and bulk.
High profit item number 9, the magnetic bamboo beer bottle opener. We're gonna throw some engraving on it and make it bombastic and beautiful. This is permanent fridge real estate. This is magnetic and functional. So this isn't something that they're gonna throw away or toss in the junk drawer. This is gonna go on the fridge and it's gonna live there for years. You can pick this up for about $1 and sell it for $15. That took 15 seconds, and that looks beautiful. These are great for real estate agents. It's fridge billboards. They're also great for breweries, and I'm about to give you gold. Write this down, get your notebook. Target wedding planners and hit them up for the save the date. It goes on the fridge and it's functional. This is gonna be on the fridge for years, and there's plenty of real estate on the back, so get your logo somewhere on the back.
High profit drinkware item number 10, last but not least. We're gonna go with that leather wrapped bottle opener. Again, this is the coaster version and it's just the same. It is that PU leather. It engraves quickly, easily. You can batch these 50 in an hour. We're gonna do this in our F2. Because it's square, it's nice and easy jig to lay it in there and press start. There we go. Look how great that looks. Ooh, let me hold it still. There you go. You can really see it. Again, these are great for bars, anywhere that sells drinks. These are great corporate gifts. These are wedding gifts, groomsmen's gifts. There's so many uses for these. We've talked about it in so many of the other products. This is a unique take on a bottle opener. Anywhere that sells drinkware, any drinkware bundle, this is a great, unique item to go with it. Everything you see here was included in this month's Laser Loot box. If you're not familiar, this is our new monthly subscription box. Every month we send you a curated set of items that you can make and sell with your laser.
And a big thanks to the Make It Mafia. We appreciate you guys, and you can become part of the family too by joining us over on our membership area at kngmakeit.com.